Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how I created this template using the Tradingview and Figma. So let's get started. In Tradingview, the first thing we do is to set up the high time frame candles. I'm using a MTF candles indicator for this to show these candles, and I will also show you the details of the candles. This is the indicator. This is the details. You can copy it or use it. So now let's show you the next steps. After that, I use the vertical tools and a note and a text. This is what the most I used in this making this template or the weekly journal. So this is how my journal or weekly journal looks like. After the setting up the candles, high time frame candles, I use vertical lines for our daily separators like this. I use these are the vertical lines, and then I use text to mark the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or days names. And then I decide a candle, what a candle did that day, and I write down it, and also write down that I took a trade on that day or not, how a trade plays out. It was a missed trade, or it was a losing trade, or it was a winning trade. I mark that, and also with that I mark how the weekly candle formed this week, and what I did wrong or what I did right. I write all the things here, mark my key levels and drawn liquidity also. I mark all the annotations and everything on the trading view with these candles. And after that, I use Figma to design it so it looks good for you. This is the Figma template. This is the text I use in the Figma. For this to make it, I will show you from the sketch. First we go into slides. After clicking the slides, start from scratch. And here we are on Figma. But before this, there is a step 1. After creating this, you should have to screenshot it or download it from here. From here, you can copy this image and go to Figma and then paste it. After pasting it, we can crop the image clearly to bigger it or show it properly. You will learn the Figma in just 1 to 2 hours. It's not a rocket science. Then I decorate it using this box. I just boxed it, as you can see on my pictures. I use it white and shadow, full shadow on this, and corners 0. That's how that looks like. And in the image, I also shadow it at high and 25 it, and then I fix this as you like or as I like. After that, I added text so this show me clearly like MA March. Go to this and effect. I also did a effect on the text here. I duplicate it. I don't make this every day. I have created a template and just copy paste it and copy paste this image that I every week that I made this image every week. Here I write like this, and I have also added a text for the writing here weekly, and my logo here and my name here. You can do the same thing, text right here like this, paste here, and after that making this how I export it. Click on this design mode, click on this 4x it and JPEG. Export this file will give you the best quality export. Hope you like this video and learn from it something new, interesting. So subscribe my YouTube and also check out my X or Telegram.